Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? In today's video, I want to talk about EDC bags and what you carry on you all the time, whether in your car, on your person, okay? Doesn't matter if you actually carry it in a bag because EDC is your everyday carry, okay? Now, different people carry different things, so it all depends on you, really, okay? Now, like your average survivalist or prepper, they'll tell you bandana, mask, hand sanitizer, carabiner, pen, Sharpie, coin purse, notebook, paracord, painkillers, toilet paper, off tellets, like hang on, my dog's in here. What are you doing? Get down. Thank you. Off towelettes, you know, for bug bites and stuff like that. Band-aids, decongestant, phone charger, tool bits, lighter, mini screwdrivers, batteries, eating tools, duct tape, power bank, mini light, gloves, zip ties, multi-tool, headlamp, a flashlight, handgun, and a water bottle. Now, I'm going to show you what I carry with me all the time, just so you can get a feel of, you know, maybe, you know, what would be comfortable for you. Now, hang on. Cinnamon sugar cookie. Best coffee ever. Best coffee. Now, I don't have like an EDC bag, okay? I carry everything in my purse. Yes, this is my purse. It is a monstrosity. My husband says you have everything in there but the kitchen sink. I know. But I don't care, okay? Listen, my life is in this bag. Everything is in this bag. If there's ever an emergency, guess what? I have everything that I need in order to get us home or to fix something or to do whatever we need to do, okay? Now, I always carry a mask on me, okay? Whatever. My mask actually is in the wash right now because I do wash all of our, because we have the cloth masks, so I am washing them because I'm doing laundry right now. Okay. Now, I have hand sanitizer. I carry the small ones on me, but these are refillable, so I have these, okay? All right. I do have a carabiner, and this also is a multi-tool, okay? It has a little knife on it, stuff like that, all right? I have a flashlight. I also have my prepper notebook. Yes. I always carry this with me. Always. It is like, I don't know. I can't even describe to you why I take this with, but I always, because there's every list that I've ever made. Everything is in this book, okay? I'm almost out of room. I need a new one, all right? So, but I always carry this with me, all right? I actually got made fun of by my sister-in-law for even having this. And maybe I should get a smaller one. I don't know. I have a tape measure. There isn't a day that goes by that I'm not either fixing something, making something, building something, going to Home Depot or Lowe's, and doing something that requires a tape measure. Whether I'm measuring something because of the windows or whatever the case may be, I'm always doing something to where I need a tape measure. Even if I'm going to my mother-in-law's house, and she'll be like, I need help with this. Okay. And she'll be like, are you kidding me? No, I'm not. My sister-in-law went into my purse the other day, and she's just like, hey, can I borrow the car real quick? Yeah, sure. She went to go get my keys, and she's like, why do you have a tape measure in your purse? I'm like, never mind you. But yes, I always have a tape measure in my purse. Don't judge, okay? Everybody's different, like I said. Okay. I always have metal straws. I am not big on the plastic straws. I like my metal straws. I have a Sharpie and I have a regular pen, which, where'd you go? Here you are. Also has a stylus on it. Advil. Hang on. Oh, more hand sanitizer. A lighter. A small first aid kit. Open sesame, darn it. Now, in my first aid kit, I have Band-Aids, okay? I have some gauze pads. I have some alcohol prep wipes. I even have some burn ointment in here. So I'm always prepared for whatever may be. And I've been carrying a first aid kit in my purse for a very long time. Pretty much since the kids were little, because you just never know. You know what I mean? And then also I put the burn ointment in here because when my son was living home, he was working at Taco Bell. And here's a backstory real quick. When Andrew was working at Taco Bell, when he was management here, he had gotten burned really bad on one of the fryers. And did you know that they did not have burn ointment in their first aid kit at the Taco Bell? Yeah, so mom to the rescue, I had to bring up some burn ointment for my kid at work when they should have had burn ointment in their first aid kit. Just saying. Okay. And then I have, yes, I have a coin purse, but my coin purse is in my wallet. Now, in my wallet, I have, here's my coin purse, okay? But I also carry with me, I have, hang on. They fell out of the plastic bag. I gotta get a new little plastic bag thingy. Of course, this is gonna happen right now, right? I actually have these very, very old quarters that date back, okay, 1968, you know, things like this. Because when Sean's dad passed, we got all of his collection, his coin collection. And we have some, you know, we have all of his silver, and we also have something else called wheat pennies. So I carry with me some of his silver with me for just in case. This may be, you know, just anxiety or whatever the case may be, but you just never know. So yes, I carry some things like this with me, okay? I also carry with me this. And I have a dollar bill in here as well that, let's see, the date on it is 1976, actually the year I was born. So, you know, I do have, you know, some, you know, you're going to be like, well, why is she carrying that stuff? Listen, different people carry different things for different reasons. Just like you're going to carry different things for different reasons that I might not understand. Okay? Now, oh, yeah. I think, is this a... No, this is Mexico, 1957. Can you see that? Okay. Just different things. Okay, and then I also have, because Ridley is my service dog. Okay. I have his little tag, his little badge thing here. See? So, and then also I carry wipes with me. And then last, I also carry this. This is like a little tool set because I do, and I know you're probably going to be like, you shouldn't do that. I vape, and I've been vaping for 8 years. And because I've been vaping for 8 years, I no longer smoke cigarettes. I used to smoke 2 packs a day. Oh, God, I do. And because of this, I no longer smoke cigarettes. And, you know, I don't use the one that has nicotine in it and stuff like that. This is just like, you know, I don't even have to explain. But anyway, because of this, I had to buy like a toolkit. Well, this toolkit comes with two screwdrivers, tweezers, okay, wire snips, scissors, all right. And I also have one of these. I have some organic cotton, all right. So this is my EDC. What is your EDC? What's in your EDC? And do you carry it, ladies, do you carry it in your purse? Guys, do you have it just on your pocket? What? Okay. Well, that's all for this video. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. I appreciate you. Stay safe and God bless.